out my clue. Well, I won't let you have the surprise yet. Look, what's over there? That's a chicken!
Is that the letter V?
Bart took the surprise! Ah! Brainy Bart!
Guess what, mates? I hid the surprise again. And this time, I have an even trickier clue. Here's your new
Well, Jules, you gotta share. No, you gotta share. I know you want the map, but you gotta share.
Let's read it.
Sister gotta play with it too.
Your shovel and pail.
I know, I know.
That rhymes